Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made from Sam's bead box for December of 2021. I will admit that I still have a lot of leftovers because I wasn't able to do a lot because of my daughter's wedding. So I did make a set of a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. So I'm going to show you that right now. Let me see, I'll start with this necklace. This is so pretty. I used all those little beads in there, and all these little rice beads are absolutely beautiful. I just love them. So this was what I made, and I used this charm. This is a very rustic looking piece of jewelry. So then I used my own little lobster claw. So I've got this. Then I made this bracelet. I did use this little leaf out of my stash, but everything else, these little hematite gold nuggets are just, they're so pretty. They added so much oomph to it. So this is a wrap bracelet, and I used, here it is. This is what I used, the beetle on satin gold. I used this for underneath it. So that's exactly what I used. It's really nice. So I made that to go with it. And then I made these funky little earrings. I did use some of my own chain. This was from a while ago, this chain. I will put pictures up at the end so you can see everything. And I'll put the necklace up on a bust. So it's just a really cute little set. I put it with antique brass, and there's some copper on there, so there's some mixed metal on there. I like doing mixed metals because I don't really like following what everybody else does. I like to kind of follow my own drum. And then I do have these little flowers that I got from Auntie's Beads a while ago, and I use those just so that when you look at it forward, you'll see the little, I set them on the ear wires to go forward, so you'll see the flowers. So this was what I made for Sam's bead box. I'm looking forward, they just sent in the mail, I just got an email this morning that my new subscription for the month just got sent to me, so I'm looking forward to it. I will be having a lot more videos coming up this year. Have a lot of tutorials and a lot of ideas for you guys, so I hope you stay tuned, and thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And you can follow my links below from Facebook, Instagram, and my Etsy store. I pretty much put everything up on my Etsy store. So if you're interested, you can follow me. And I will talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.